I hate that I have to go through this every winter. If you have been in Texas more than a few years, I'm sure you're feeling what a lot of us are feeling right now. And it's extreme fear because it's about to get cold. It's the beginning of the year. And when that big freeze happened a few years ago, that was literally on my birthday. So I'm scared. And I'm like, okay, I want to make use of what I have in the house and just spend money on like my emergency supplies. So we're not doing a healthy dinner per se. We're gonna do a big dinner just in case this will be the last big dinner for a while. So it's gonna be a family meal, Sunday style. I'm just like feeling real southern today. So I have a few ideas about what I'm gonna make, but I'm just gonna rummage through my cabinets and my freezer to see what all is gonna go into this meal today. I don't know. I won't lie to you. Like, I may seem like, just because I like, make videos, I'm really not a planner, and I'm trying to do better about it, but I have so many things I need to do right now before like the actual temperature drop happens tonight. There's no snow yet, but the temperature is supposed to drop tonight. So tonight I need to wash my hair first of all. That's why I look like this. But I haven't been able to wash it because, for the first of the year, they tell you don't wash your hair. So I take that very seriously. Like, I do all of the things that I've always done. I don't see no issue with doing them. I've been doing them, man. My life ain't been terrible. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna just wait to wash my hair. I'm gonna take my braids out. So I took my braids out. I just had like 2 going back. But now I waited a little too long, so I need to start cooking, and then go wash my hair while I'm cooking, while I got some things going, and then come back in here and finish cooking, and then blow dry my hair. That's a lot going on. Maybe I won't. I'm gonna blow dry because I have a Dyson now. Oh my goodness, best money ever spent in the entire world. If you have a Rudy Poo blow dryer and you have the means to get a Dyson, baby, get a Dyson. Not the air wrap one. Like, I mean like the regular blow dryer one, because my blow dryers, the time has been cut in like more than half. I don't air dry my hair because it makes my hair break too much, like to be left wet. So I always blow dry it. No matter how I'm gonna style it, I always blow dry it. So that's why like it's poofy right now, because I had braids and I just took them out. But yeah, I'm gonna wash it. I've been using the Sacred, and honestly, that too, I've seen people asking like, okay, now that the hype has kind of died down, do you like the Sacred? I absolutely love it. Like, my routine is completely simplified now, which it was already kind of simplified from the Olaplex. I couldn't think of the name. From the Olaplex, which I do still like. I do still like the Olaplex. But the Sacred is just like an entire step up from there. So for me, I do the clarifying shampoo because I don't wash my hair like every day. So I get a lot of buildup on my scalp. I do the clarifying one, which is like a scrubby texture. And then I go in with either today I'm just going to do the hydrating conditioner, but there's also like a deep conditioner. And if I'm feeling like my hair is a little too, like my curl is a little too loose, then I go in with it's like a protein treatment type of one, like a strengthening treatment. That's all strengthening means. If it's a strengthening treatment, it's doing something with the proteins to make your hair stronger. So, just gotta know how to read them labels. But yeah, I don't think I need to do a protein treatment right now. I don't even think I need a deep condition because I did last time I washed my hair. So I'm gonna just try to do it as quickly as I can. That's the wash. I'm like, what the heck is that? It's my washing machine. I'm trying to get like everything done. I hate that I have to go through this every winter, but at this point, I don't know where in the world that like global warming has not had its impact in some way. Because I'm from Wisconsin. I'm used to winter weather, but I have known since I've been in Texas for like a decade now people in Texas do not know what to do when it get cold. And I'm like, it's gotten cold like pretty much every year since I've been here. I don't understand why we don't like know what to do yet, right? Like, I would just think like, okay, something happened one year, let's make sure it don't happen again. That's not what's happening. So the only thing you could do is prepare for the worst, because I've literally sat through the worst. So I have some things that I'm going to go pick up from the store today, and then I'm going to go again to the grocery store a little later, I think, just to analyze my cabinets. But I do want to get a couple more things before it snows. Again, I just want to have a nice dinner before the worst can happen. Like, I'm so stressed out saying that, because why do we have to do all of this? Like, we have to panic. Like, I gotta charge everything. I don't even think I have enough chargers, because what is up with my kid with the phone chargers? I do not know. Like, every time I get another box of 5, it's like 5 chargers in the box. I'm down to my last charger yet again. Why are kids like this? You can't have nice things. So I have to sacrifice one. Either the iPad or the phone will get charged. Maybe I'll charge the iPad and just turn it off just in case. I don't know. Anyway, let's get to it, because we ain't got all day to be cooking now.
Too fast, think I've been ahead of the millennium or whatever. I've been after death before Christ and all of that. I try to make music that is far ahead. And with the blessing of God, I'm gonna keep making music.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl.
Yeah.
Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
When they give me the thing, they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come tell me in the night, I make we get it amplified. But I grip to run the ship, me nah go slip, me nah go slide. In other words, the love I got to give is certified. We give it the toughest, longest time for ride, girl.
Baby boy, stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. You don't know the love is real.
Okay, so we got meat in the oven, and I'm gonna start like slowly boiling the water for these potatoes. I think I can. So I'm gonna boil the water. I have to go run and wash my hair as quickly as I know how, and then we're gonna get started. We're gonna boil the potatoes when I come back. I think I should use up some of the dairy. Is that doing too much, you think? Is it doing too much to like start getting rid of stuff already, especially if it's not gonna snow yet? I don't know. Is that doing too much to just, I don't know. It's like I don't know how far to take it. So it's like, should I be trying to clear out my refrigerator so I'm not wasting things? Or should I just like stop overthinking? I don't know. That's kind of where I am right now. So that's gonna affect how I make my potatoes. That's why I'm thinking about it. So let me just wash my hair first.
Baby boy, you were so damn fine. Baby boy, won't you be mine?
Girl, me and you together, it's a rap that girl. Drive round the town in a your top girl, in a stop shop girl. If you more the dirty one, rock that world. It's a top girl. Me and you together, it's a rap that girl. Drive round the town in a your top girl, in a stop shop girl. If you more the dirty one, rock that world.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too